A lottery involves choosing the correct 6 balls from 40. The order in which you select the balls is not important. What's the probability of winning or sharing in the jackpot each time you play? Okay, so we have to choose 6 from 40. And the order isn't important. Okay, so that means we're talking about a combination. Okay, so we're going to use the NCR function on your calculator. Okay, I'm going to choose 6 from 40. Okay, so let's call up our calculator, clear whatever is on there, and it's 40, and then remember the combination button is under math, and then over to probability, and then number 3, okay, and then 6. And we end up with 3,838,380. So 3,838,000. Let's call it up again, 380. Okay. Those are all the combinations of numbers that you can pick if you have 40 balls to choose from. 3 million, almost 4 million. Only one of those is going to be correct. Okay? Only one of those is going to be the combination of numbers that wins. Only one selection is going to win. So your probability of winning the lottery, if you only play once, is equal to 1 in 3.8 million. 1 in almost 4 million. Now, your chances of being hit by lightning, it says in the question, are about 1 in 12,000, and I guess you can get different estimates of that likelihood if you look in different places, but that's one of the estimates, that your chance of being hit by lightning in your lifetime is 1 in about 12,000. In other words, you have the chance that you're going to be hit by lightning is 320 times greater than the chance that you'll win the lottery. Okay, I know which one I hope for you, but the likelihood of either is pretty small, and if you do win the lottery, remember how much I taught you in this video. Thanks, bye bye.